Hello there, hello again. It's a little bit chilly today. Right, so of course I'm doing outside work. What I've decided to do today, we've had some issues with the roof vents up on the top. So what happened was we cut them over with silver tape just to stop any water coming in, and that was just until we got the roof painted, and then we were going to fit the proper roof vents at that point. But it seems like the magpies like the silver tape, and they keep pecking at it and causing leaks. So we decided to pop the vents on, and in fact that one is done now. So just up there. So that's the vent that's there now, and I'll just show you through the process now of how we fit them. It takes a little while, but yes, we'll do that. Alright, see you in a bit. Right, okay. So hopefully you've seen most of what we did on that. So I'll just explain a few things. These are going to come off again so that we can repaint the roof, or paint the roof. So they're fitted temporarily. That's why there's some neoprene just underneath each of these screws, just to seal the holes so that no water gets through. And also there's little blobs of silicone just on the top of the screw heads in the clear bit just under here. And that's the same thing, just try and keep the water out for them. But that's how they're fitted. I've gone with a low profile vent, and that's simply because our solar panels will come across the top of here, so the solar panels will be just above there. If we used a normal mushroom vent, it'd be way too tall, and we'd have to then lift the solar panels up, which we didn't want to do. So that's the third one. So just looking down the roof, second and the first one down there, they're already done. There's just one more left to do. That separately. So that's what they look like. All of the roof will be covered in solar panels practically. So all of these will all be the same type of vent. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'll get the other vent done, and yeah, we'll see you next time.